In a heartbreaking incident, 3 children lost their lives in a tragic road accident in Odisha's Bolange district on Tuesday. The accident occurred near the Marlat Bridge in the Titilagar area while the victims were returning from a wedding feast. According to reports, a pickup van collided with a motorcycle. The impact was so severe that 3 children died on the spot. 8 others, including 6 children, sustained serious injuries and were immediately rushed to a nearby hospital for treatment. The tragic incident has cast a pall of gloom over the entire locality, with grieving families struggling to come to terms with the sudden loss.
गोटे एक्सीडेंट है से मल्लाड ब्रिज पाखे से होता है 5टा छुआ आसी 5टा जुड़े जुड़े डेथ है आउ जुड़े रेफर कराला गोटे आमर ट्रिटमेंट होते गोटे कृष्णा तंडी अंडर ट्रिटमेंट 14 वर्षर पिला से लक्ष्मी बहाली गाँव दुई जन तो डेथ बहुत सीरीयस थे पूरा तुम मैंने हेड इंजुरी है डेथ है बाकी आउ जुड़े छुआ स्टेबल अच्छा।